go.
What's up, everyone? This is Phoenix from Phoenix TV, here with another episode of Bird's Brain, the show where I tank my mental credibility for your enjoyment. Let's go ahead and get started with The Devil.
Hi, I'm Cookie, and I just can't get this nude Steve Buscemi sculpture right. Nobody wanted to play with you, huh? It's like grammar school all over again. And our wrong answer of the game is brought to you by...
The devil! Sure, God and heaven sound great and everything, but have you fully considered hell? Or are you just going by what you heard?
Try to choose the wrong answer, brought to you by our sponsor to get prizes and cash. And so it begins.
Get ready, time for question.
There's not a lot I can do to follow this sponsor.
Let's begin with... I could stare at Steve Buscemi's face all day.
Oh, Lord.
Which potential Boardwalk Empire spin-off does not also include the name of a Monopoly property? Park Place Empire, New York Avenue Empire, St. John's Place Empire, or Kentucky Avenue Empire?
Is there a St. John's?
There is a St. James and a St. Charles Place in
there
Monopoly,
you go.
but no St. John's Place. One thing I enjoy about Boardwalk Empire is all the gratuitous flashing of community chests. Here's a good one. NSA OK. Ah, crap. The NSA is collecting information off my computer again. I hope they don't snag my Visa card info, because that's the card I use to buy all my embarrassing stuff. Okay. Which of these is my Visa card? 3,000, blah, 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 8450, 4,000, blah, 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 9010, 5,000. All Visa account numbers begin with the number 4.
Yeah, that's what I thought. I have a Visa and it started with a 4.
All MasterCards begin with the number 5, and Discover cards start with, I don't know. Hey, anybody know what number Discover cards start with? Anybody? Guess not.
Dance with me, Disco 3.
Neat.
This one's known as... How long has that been in your mouth? And it's a this or that.
Great.
I'm going to read off 7 names, and for each, I want you to tell me if it's a popular brand of gum or an adult cable network. If it's gum, press the X button. If it's
That's
an adult
worrisome.
channel, press the B button.
So many of these
Okay,
gums
let's
I
move.
know.
Hubba Bubba, Brazzers, Spice, Crunch, Fresh, Juicy,
Dang it.
Big Red. Good work, you're only mostly a pervert.
No, I just know gum, kind of.
I don't watch much
Not very
adult
well. I don't
entertainment,
know.
but I love gum, and I know that in general it's not a good idea to swallow. Sorry, that joke left a bad taste in my mouth. Pucker up for Kangaroo,
Hey.
Peanut, Albert Einstein, or Uranus. Often misidentified by Sylvester the Cat. Kangaroo, Peanut, Albert Einstein, or Uranus.
I don't know.
Hello!
Einstein.
Nice job, Einstein.
I
Let
didn't
me
know.
show you something. Numerous Sylvester cartoons feature a young kangaroo character named Hippity Hopper, who Sylvester believes to be a giant mouse. So many
know that.
unanswered questions in Sylvester's life. Is that a giant mouse or a kangaroo? Is Tweety a boy or a girl? Why do I sound pretty much exactly like Daffy Duck?
Ooh. Childhood ruined.
I call this one, His Jokes Fallon Deaf Ears. What might it sound like if Jimmy Fallon's nightly monologue suddenly turned into a soliloquy? Here's a question. What's up with Congress? But seriously, Roots, what's
Soliloquies
up
are
with...
internal.
A soliloquy is when an actor expresses his thoughts and feelings towards himself as though no one else is present.
Yep.
But Jimmy Fallon could never really pull off a soliloquy because he knows Jay Leno is just steps away hiding in the curtain. That about does it for round one. And you're in pretty good shape for now.
Hey.
Remember, I'm doubling the value of each question in round two.
It's good to be in
All
good
right,
shape.
let's get back to it. And on its way, I really want to be able to judge a book by its cover. Considering what happens to Harry Morgan, what would be the more descriptive title for Ernest Hemingway's To Have and Have Not?
Oh, I don't
to
know.
have and have not legs, to have and have not an arm, to have and have not a face, or to have and have not testicles?
A face.
Nuh-uh.
Don't know.
Allow me. Harry Morgan loses an arm in To Have and Have Not.
Didn't know that.
This should have been the book Hemingway titled A Farewell to Arms. You know, just a real missed opportunity.
Question 7. Get up and shake your monkey bang.
Coming up, Silence is Molden. Not that I've missed him, but I haven't seen my ventriloquist dummy Billy O'Brien around very much lately. Seems like he's been busy with something. Usually when I mention him or not, he just shows up. Maybe if I play his song.
One's made of skin, one's made of wood, so who's the dummy?
Not me. Did somebody call?
Billy,
Hey.
what's new? I see you've got some kind of paper with you there.
It's not just any tater, it's my diploma from Dunny College.
Oh, I didn't know you were going to college.
Not anymore, I graduated this morning.
With honors?
No. If not Dunny College awarded me highest honors, what would be written on my diploma?
Something
Summa
laude.
cum laude, magna cum laude, maxima cum laude, or just cum laude?
I think you know it's coming.
Dang it!
Why didn't you pick this? Yep, summa cum laude is the highest academic honor a student can receive upon graduation. Well, sorry you didn't do better in Dummy College, Billy, but I'm still proud you graduated. By the way, what's the name of this Dummy College you went to anyway?
The University of Florida.
Ooh.
Me down to the sea.
This one's called Adorable. Which Dora the Explorer character would Dr. Dolittle not have the power to talk to?
This is not an
Dora,
animal.
Boots, Swiper, or
It's a map.
Dr. Dolittle can talk to the animals like Boots the monkey and Swiper the fox, and obviously to people too, but he did not have the power to talk to magical maps.
Alright.
You know, why is talking to animals so impressive? I think the real magical power is listening.
Wise words from Cookie Masterson, ladies and gentlemen.
Coming up next, you're beta testing my patience. Which video game would testers probably find a giant bug in? Sartre the game, Tolstoy the game, Camus the game, or Kafka the game?
I don't know. So I'm going to try and save some points and then take a guess at it.
Time is short.
This one.
Sorry, no takebacks. Where's that confounded right answer? Franz Kafka wrote The Metamorphosis, the story of how Gregor Samsa transformed into a giant bug. That's one bug the developers should probably not remove. Otherwise, it'll just be a game about a guy who wakes up as a human and goes to work or something. And I played enough of The Sims.
You can never have enough Sims.
Here we have Gambling Edition. What super cool thing should I say while betting on a 7 in roulette? Always bet on black. Always bet on red. Always bet on black in America, but bet on red in Europe. Or always bet on green.
Red.
The number 7 in roulette is always red.
Hey.
And the super cool thing I always say whenever I make any kind of roulette bet is, please, 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 I can't lose this. Why did I make this bet? I can't afford to lose this money. Somebody help me.
Yeah, if I recall, the blacks were the evens and the reds were the odds. That's what I thought, so I went for it, but
When you see two clues that
Jack
match,
Tack.
press your A button. 2,000 big ones if you're right, but if you're wrong, you lose 2,000. And most importantly,
Remember the clue.
it's gotta be a match that fits this clue. Make my hair look like a pig's ass.
What?
Who's rocking the pigtails? Good luck.
pigtails. In the Brady Bunch. Wasn't it the middle one? That'll work. The Wizard of Oz. Dorothy had pigtails, didn't she? I think. To say I'm certain would be a little bit of a question. All right, cool. Frozen. Wasn't it her sister? Yes, it was. Rugrats. Angelica. The old meanie. Monsters. It was Boo. She had pigtails. Pretty sure. Yep. The Addams Family. Yeah, that was an Addams. And Pippi Longstocking indeed had pigtails. So, another great Jack Attack round. It's like my specialty. And it shows.
I never understood why they're called pigtails. It's not like pigs have two tails on either side of their butts. To be more scientifically accurate, they should be called an octopus on your head with 6 legs ripped off.
You don't know Jack!
That would be an interesting name. Not the greatest, though. If you have a better idea on what they should actually call pigtails, feel free to comment below. I'd love to see what you guys come up with. You guys are probably funnier than me.
Hey kids, are your
Phoenix
parents on the
TV,
road?
Bird's Brain.
Good,
Tune in
because I
next
wanna talk
week.
to you about
I'll keep doing these. Thanks for watching.